Geeks. Tim Tibbetts with MajorGeeks.com. And today we're going to take a look at the D3dx9_30DLL. Not found, missing. This error message can come up with different descriptions, from reinstall, it's missing from a specific folder, something besides the 9 or the 30 in here. There's some variations in here, but we should be able to get you to where you need to be with this video. And we will link to a story that has screenshots as well as links to all the downloads we mentioned here, because the problem can vary. So we know we have this problem. What you're looking for is D3D is Direct3D, X9 is version 9, and 30.dll. This is the 30 is what you want to look for in this case, and I'll show you why. You can install the DirectX redistributable, but if you do need to extract only one file because your error message says it's missing just the one particular file, we can download and install WinRAR. Right click on the redistributable Microsoft DirectX from June of 2010 and extract it to a folder. Let's close this out. You're going to see some pop-ups from this program and from WinRAR because I'm using the demo version on this video. So we can take the DirectX. You can see there's cab files. If I click any of these cab files, you can find all the DirectX files you might be missing inside. So as we showed you, Direct3D version 9, see the 30? Now you have two of them. That's your 32-bit x86 and your 64-bit for 64-bit. This is what we're looking for. As you can see, you have DirectX 10, 9, 33. This is what our error message said. So we're going to double click that to open that cab file. And inside there, we're going to find the file that you're missing. There it is. Now you can right click and simply choose extract to a folder, or you can use the extract to. Once you extract to a specified folder, you want to obviously put it wherever the error message said the file was missing. If it didn't say, you're stuck with a little bit of guesswork, and you might want to try this last after you install DirectX, after you maybe update your drivers, and after maybe you reinstall the program. In my case, I would go to C, Windows, System 32 would be probably where it belongs. And I already have it there, so we'll just overwrite it. You probably won't. So again, that you'd like to see, think, dream, it fixed your problem. It didn't. So while we discuss that, we're going to run the DirectX. We have the full version on our site because otherwise the web installer and you have to download everything. So because of that, you need to extract these files. So in this case, I'm going to pick the desktop, and then I'm going to add a folder name with a backslash. Let's say we'll call it DirectX 9. Hit OK or enter, and it's going to create the folder right here. Open that up and scroll on down to, it should be DX setup. There it is. And we're going to run that, accept the agreement, and kick back and wait for it to install. So again, when you have these D3D errors, it really depends on what your message actually is. So we want to start by downloading the DirectX. This is almost always an older game where you're going to have the problem. So you're just missing DirectX 9, where nowadays you have 11, 12, and Windows Update takes care of it for you. So always go right to the DirectX if you're missing a file and see if the installation fixes it. If it does not, I like to maybe try updating drivers, but it's kind of unlikely. I just don't like to extract DLL files unless you have to. As you can see all the files it's extracting, so it's putting all these files, there they all go, that you're probably missing. That's why this is probably almost always the fix. And of course, you can try to reinstall the program. It's pretty hit or miss and a pretty niche fix. This is almost always going to fix those errors. So now we're finished. Let's see what happens. There you go. So once again, we're quite simply missing the correct file, and installing the older version of DirectX fixes it up for you. So there you go. Do that in that order. Check out the article below, because as always, I usually bang through these videos pretty quick. So this way at least you have the links that you need, screenshots, etc. And that should fix up most of your D3D blah blah blahs missing errors. So there you go. All right, as always, click on the subscribe button. It's not like we post a million videos a day. Spread the word, share the love, and hopefully we'll see you next time.